Hey guys, Jason here for the Love of Tractors, and I am with the brand spanking new scale model 2018 Ford F350 with the Dew Eze feed bed. They call it feed truck. So um, this is a really cool project that Dew Eze did with Spec Cast so that we could get this really neat sort of bale bed, if you will, onto Ford F350. So you guys know that the Spec Cast just brought out this F350. I did a video on that, and I was kind of hard on it. But now we've got this bed on here, and let's see if that sort of changes things and changes my opinion of the truck, and I think it will. So I have just opened up this guy, and kind of getting my first look at him. This is the parallel squeeze version, and I'm gonna open up a red pivot squeeze version so we can take a look at both of those. So let's talk tractors, y'all, or trucks. All right, so here we are with the two F350s, and I think we'll take a look at the red one because I think it's going to show up a little better than that black one on the camera. So these are really cool trucks. So like I said, this is basically that Spec Cast truck with this new bed on it. So, we get the same features as we got on the Spec Cast truck. Lights, mirrors, that big old chrome grille. The mirrors look pretty good, especially since I didn't break them on this one like I did on mine. Now, the other one I got from the factory didn't have the silver painted in the mirror, but these Dew Eze trucks do. I don't know if that was just a mistake on the one I've got or if that was whatever, but they're on this one, so that's cool. You can see the bed has a headache rack type thing, and it's got some relief in there that you can feel, so it doesn't go all the way through, but that's okay. It does go all the way through here though, and there's some light detail up here, but I'm kind of surprised they didn't paint those because they did paint them back here. And then we get these cool Dew Eze mud flaps as well. So, oh yeah, and we get the fifth hitch you can hook your trailer up to. This truck also has duals instead of the singles that came on the standard version of the F350. And you get the neat Harper Dew Eze logo here on the side. That is a tampo, it's not just like a decal stuck on there. Now this bed is really cool, lots of detail on it. So you got a toolbox here on the side, and we've got you can see those side markers there. And then we have the model number, which is a 784, and then we've got some Dew Eze logo there. I don't know if I can get the camera to focus in on that. It's awfully small, but it's a nice logo. They did that's nicely carried over to this. Yeah, just not gonna get the camera to focus. So I like how this whole side is silver. It sort of denotes the side railings there. And then here is your bale feed thing. So you'd come down here. I wish I had a 1/64 scale bale. Let's cheat. Hey, this is a poly tank. You'd grab it like this, and you'd roll it up onto your bed like that. To go feed. So pretty cool. Little truck. I'm just going to show you both sides here, how they both operate. Anyway, you can kind of see how that works. So you can see, I'm trying. Sorry, this is a little disjointed. You can see the pivot squeeze, how the thing is on the outside here. And then the parallel squeeze, these, yeah, there we go. They adjust like that. So, and then they still kind of do this number too. Anyway, that's kind of the gist of it. Kind of not a whole lot to these, but it's pretty cool. I'm really happy we got these. And these trucks will run you in the neighborhood of $40, basically 40 to $45, depending on where you get them, who you get them from. If you're interested in these, the first stop I would make is C-Bar Farm Toys on Facebook, He's got a few of these left, I believe, and then after that, you can probably go to Outback Toys and a bunch of other places, and they'll have them too. And I imagine your Dew Eze dealer will have some of these as well. So, I guess the question is, are they worth $40? Yeah, I kind of think so, because this bed's neat, and this bed took some serious effort to make work, especially the two different versions of it. There's a lot of parts to the bed, and it really sort of adds to this truck, I think. Um, and I'm kind of wondering, I have no information on this, but I'm kind of wondering if we could see a regular Dew Eze flatbed someday through Spec Cast in this, because it seems like that'd be pretty easy to do. And I hope that's something we see, because that's something we kind of desperately need, is just a nice flatbed from one of these companies, either Ertl or Spec Cast or something like that. So, all right, guys, that's kind of it. Simple little review of these great little beds. You know, this is one of those projects that if it wasn't for 3D printing, I don't think we would have had these. These were kind of designed up, and then Dewey's got with Spec Cast to bring those to market. And, you know, it's a really cool kind of collaboration, and I'm really happy we got them. Because you guys, you cattle guys, you model toy cattle guys, you need something like this, I think. And I imagine that these are going to do pretty well. So, anyway, my recommendation is if you're into that sort of thing, go out and get you one. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Happy tractor hunting.